top 8 signs that your kidney is in danger. Kidneys removes excess fluids and waste material from the body. These organs regulate electrolytes level and keep your bones strong, produce red blood cells and normalize blood pressure. When your kidneys fail to carry out their function, your health is in serious danger. This is why you should recognize any potential threat and potential damage. We give you the most common indicators of kidney damage. Here in this video you will know about top 8 signs your body tells you that your kidneys are in danger. Number 1. Swelling. Kidney malfunction results in inability to eliminate excess fluids, which causes swelling in face area, joints and limbs. Any unexpected swelling may indicate kidney failure. Number 2. Changes in urination. These are usually the earliest warning symptoms indicating something's wrong with your kidneys. Trouble urinating and unexplained pressure. Blood urine, dark urine color, less frequent urination in small amounts, pale urine color, frequent urination in large amounts, foamy urine, urges to urinate in the middle of the night. Number 3. Skin rashes. Kidney failure leads to waste buildups, which causes skin rashes and severe itching. Waste material tends to accumulate in the blood and thus make the skin irritated and dry. Number 4. Fatigue. Healthy kidneys produces EPO or erythropoietin, a hormone that participates in the production of red blood cells that deliver oxygen. Kidneys lead to a decreased number of red blood cells and cause sort of a fatigue that affects brain and muscles. Number 5. Shortness of breath. It also may be a sign of kidney damage. The body lacks oxygen because of the lower number of blood cells that carry oxygen. The number of these blood cells is largely affected by harmful buildups in the lungs. Number 6. Metallic taste in the mouth. Accumulated waste in the blood may alter the taste of food and cause bad breath. Any change in food preferences and poor appetite may indicate kidney damage. Number 7. Pain. Kidney damage is also accompanied with itch in the lower back area or in the same area where the damaged kidney is set. Number 8. Dizziness. Poor flow of oxygen to the brain is form of anemia that is associated with kidney damage. It causes concentration issues, dizziness and even memory loss. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.